And welcome back for our Pets and Vets segment. This morning, Lamont Williams was just wrapping up the elephant story. This is not an elephant. This is a cute kitty. And the man who's got his hands on her is Dr. John Firamonte this morning. As he joins us every Thursday, who is this?
This is Shiloh. We're a 2-month-old kitty over at the Maryland SPCA, and we wanted to remind everybody that the Walk for the Animals is going to be April 17th over at the Maryland SPCA. Give them a call, set up. It's one of their biggest fundraisers of the year. They'll be there with lots of animal activities, lots of booths, and lots of animal contests.
All right. Now, we've been asking you for your pet questions today, and we've got Richard on the phone from Haverty Grace. Richard, I understand you have a question for the doctor about a dog chewing his fur off.
Yeah, doctor, I appreciate the chance to talk to you here. I got a 10-month-old Lab and Shepherd mixed.
Okay.
And last year she started chewing the fur off the top of her foot. Took her to the vet, and they recommended like a low-dose allergy medication.
Sure.
And she just started here again about a month ago, and I got her back on that thing. Do you suggest anything, or what might cause that? Or anything?
Well, Richard, you have to remember this is probably an allergic problem. Most animals that are doing that are paw licking. It's a food allergy or a pollen allergy. So you want to make sure that you stay with your veterinarian, get some antihistamines of some types to help decrease the itch on the foot. And if you take care of that, you treat the allergy, because that's probably what it is, and that should take care of things. Stay on medicine probably all summer and into the fall.
All right, Richard, thank you so much for that call. Now, talking about Lyme disease, this is something many of us have to worry about with our pets, because as it warms up, we get more flea, more tick activity,
this time of the year
for Lyme disease.
This time of the year, we're seeing a lot of ticks. The ticks really came out early. It didn't get that cold this winter.
Right.
Got cold for a short period of time, and then it warmed right back up. So we've been seeing ticks for the last probably month and a half, and they've really made a resurgence. So we want to remind everybody, if you have a dog, get them vaccinated for your Lyme disease. If you have a cat that's going outside, make sure you're using the once-a-month flea and tick medications that are appropriate for the cat to go ahead and kill the ticks, because they are out in force, they are serious, they cause joint problems, they cause heart problems, they cause kidney problems.
Now, one thing real quickly you brought in for us, there are some examples this morning on the white sheet. This is what we need to look for on our pets, correct?
Yes, these are our ticks. You have some adult dog ticks, and then we have a little Lyme tick. See how tiny that little Lyme tick is? They're the smallest of the small. They're carried mainly by the deer, but also by mice in the neighborhood. And this little guy way over here, that's a deer tick, and that's how tiny they are. They're hard to see. We get them on them on us as humans, and the animals get on them too.
Real quickly, we got to have about 60 seconds here. Some of the more popular front lines that we can take care of here.
These are some of the different preparations that we have. We have our Frontline product that kills fleas and ticks, and that's for Shiloh because it also comes for cats. We have Revolution, which is also available for cats and dogs, and it's a nice tick killer. And then we have Protocol. This is just for dogs. This helps work more as a tick kill and a tick repellent. I use this more for the pets that are on the Eastern Shore. We've really had good response with that.
Is this something we need to do annually? I mean, we just need to book it with you once a year?
Well, you need to do it once. You need to remember that it's a problem once a year. It's a long-term problem. It's monthly. You need to make sure you have your animals on medication. If you have a dog, you want to make sure you have them vaccinated for the Lyme disease. And it's a year-round problem here in Maryland.
All right, Dr. John Firamonte, as he is every Thursday, Pets and Vets right here on Good Morning Maryland at 9 o'clock. And as he said, we've got the March for the Animals coming up on the 17th of April at Druid Hill Park. You'll want to check that out as well. Off to a break, but when you think about places to live and